Free radicals and antioxidants are two sides of a coin when it comes to cellular health and the process of oxidation in the body. Here's a breakdown of their key differences. Free radicals are unstable atoms, molecules, or ions that have at least one unpaired electron in their outermost shell. On the other hand, antioxidants are molecules that can prevent or reduce the damage caused by free radicals. They have the ability to donate an electron to a free radical without becoming unstable themselves. As per nature, free radicals are inherently unstable and constantly seek to steal an electron from stable molecules in their vicinity to achieve stability. Unpaired electron makes them highly reactive. Antioxidants are stable molecules designed to neutralize the reactivity of free radicals. Now about formation. Free radicals are naturally produced in the body during normal metabolic processes, like energy production in mitochondria. However, their formation can be greatly increased by external factors such as pollution, cigarette smoke, radiation, etc. On the other hand, the body produces some antioxidants, endogenous antioxidants, but a significant portion must be obtained from external sources, exogenous antioxidants, primarily through diet. Rich sources include fruits, vegetables, whole grains, nuts, seeds, and certain beverages like tea and coffee. Vitamin C, vitamin E, beta-carotene, lycopene, selenium, and various phytochemicals. Let's know about their impact. Due to free radicals' reactivity, they can cause significant damage to vital cellular components, including DNA, proteins, and lipids, fats. This damage, known as oxidative stress, can contribute to aging, chronic diseases like heart disease, cancer, diabetes, and neurodegenerative disorders, and inflammation. Antioxidants neutralize free radicals by donating an electron to them, thereby stabilizing the free radical and preventing it from causing damage. They can also work by preventing the formation of free radicals or by promoting their decomposition. Role of free radicals are primarily harmful in excess. Free radicals also play some beneficial roles in the body, such as being used by the immune system to fight off pathogens like bacteria and viruses. By neutralizing free radicals, antioxidants help protect cells from oxidative stress, reduce inflammation, and may lower the risk of various chronic diseases.